Halloween winner is...
What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be going prom dress shopping and I'm gonna be taking you with me. Who likes my nails? Baby pink. So prom is in 5 days. My friend barely told me it was gonna be in 5 days. So let's see what we can find. Also, as many of you may know, I am online school. So my prom is gonna be on Zoom. Just kidding, my friend is inviting me to her prom. I'm just looking around so far and so far I don't like nothing. These are the dresses I ended up trying on. This one was pretty but I didn't like the back and they didn't have my size. This one was not flattering at all. This one was too simple. This one was weird and puffy. Also that purple dress, the guy was like, it costs 800 but for you 200. He also told me I couldn't try it on unless I was going to buy it. I also went to a different store but the guy told me I had to pay $5 for each dress that I tried on. So I literally left the store. This is the dress I ended up getting. Hi everybody, it's prom day and I have a mask on right now because I'm going into the salon to get my hair done. I'm gonna be getting a blowout, so let's go. What do you think? So this is my hair. I'm gonna be using this YSL foundation. I'm also going to be using this Dose of Colors foundation. Now I'm taking the ColourPop concealer. I'm going to be wearing a lot of makeup because I want it to last the entire night. Plus I want to look glam. That's a lot, but I don't care. Next I'm taking this Fenty Beauty bronzer. Hello?
I started crying.
Wait, why?
Because it hit me.
Who hit you? Oh, I thought you meant your sisters hit you. I'm filming right now. Next, I'm gonna be taking this Rare Beauty blush. I'm using Bliss and Hope. I'm using this Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Transit. So I finished my makeup. I haven't put lipstick on or anything yet. I'm gonna do that later. But I'm gonna put on my dress and stuff. So yeah. Do you like my makeup? Yes or no? Be honest. My makeup is done. I have my dress on. Let's go party. I'm just waiting for Emily now, but I don't know if she's ready yet. And it's almost time. It's 6:02 and prom starts at 7 and we haven't even left the house yet. I'm here with Emily! Hi guys! Say something.
Vote for Tristan! Yeah, vote for me! Missed you! Oh my god, you look so pretty!
We have haven't even entered yet. I can't hear you. Hi guys, it's PROM
22.
For the prom queen winner is Emily Lopez. And the prom king winner is Federico Canu.
We all look like middle schoolers.
Yes, with your crutches, like what you were doing. I was like. How was your prom experience?
Well, I feel like prom was whack as fuck, but I had to make that shit fun. Yeah.
Well, bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Peace out, 8 Town.